Welcome back to the Chess Master Series episode 20. In our last session, we explored the dynamic Grunfeld defense. Today, we dive into two powerful responses for black against d4, the Nimzo-Indian and the Bogo-Indian defenses. The Nimzo-Indian defense occurs after white plays d4 and black responds with nf6. After c4 and e6, white develops with nc3. Now, black plays the hypermodern move bb4. By pinning the knight to the king, black controls the important e4 square and prepares to challenge white's central expansion. The Bogo-Indian defense is a close relative. It happens when white plays nf3 on the third move instead of nc3, black again plays bb4, this time giving a check. This line is often seen as a more solid and positional alternative, leading to strategic battles rather than immediate tactical explosions. Both these Indian defenses are favorites of grandmasters worldwide. Practice these setups to build a versatile opening repertoire. In the next episode, we will look at the Queen's Indian defense. Master your moves and I will see you on the board.